Welcome to your 90-day SOC 2 compliance journey. Whether you're pursuing Type 1 or Type 2 certification, this structured action plan will guide you through every step, helping your organization achieve compliance with efficiency and confidence. Step 1. Define your scope. Conduct a comprehensive scoping assessment to define system boundaries. Identify which trust service criteria best aligns with your organization's security, availability, processing integrity, and privacy needs, keeping future scalability in mind. Step 2. Engage leadership and ownership. Designate a dedicated compliance champion with executive sponsorship to ensure leadership buy-in and resource allocation. Step 3. Establish baseline policies. Implement security policies aligned with industry frameworks such as SOC 2, NIST, and ISO 27001 to ensure a strong compliance posture from day one. Adopt a cloud-first security approach, leveraging native security controls from cloud providers. Engage a third-party audit firm to conduct your SOC 2 examination. Once your foundation is in place, it's time to move into implementation and optimization. Implementation and optimization, days 31 through 60. This phase is all about operationalizing your security and compliance measures. Here's what you need to focus on. Step 4. Deploy compliance automation. Integrate a compliance automation platform such as Drata, Vanta, or SecureFrame with your tech stack to streamline evidence collection and monitoring. Step 5. Strengthen organizational security. Identify cross-functional stakeholders from HR, DevOps, and IT to establish collaborative compliance workflows. Implement multi-factor authentication, MFA, across end users and critical systems. Deploy antivirus and anti-malware, also known as EDR, Endpoint Detection and Response, solutions for endpoint protection. Step 6. Enhance risk management. Establish a third-party risk management process with continuous monitoring to ensure vendor security aligns with SOC 2 standards. Ensure annual employee performance reviews are planned for Type 1 and conducted for Type 2. Ensure all employees take security awareness training upon hire and at least annually. Ensure all employees review and sign off on pertinent security policies upon hire and at least annually. With security and automation in place, it's time for the final phase. Validation and readiness. Validation and readiness, days 61 through 90. The final 30 days will focus on ensuring your controls are effective, validated, and audit ready. Step 7. Assess and remediate control gaps. Conduct a risk-based internal assessment. Validation and readiness, days 61 through 90. The final 30 days will focus on ensuring your controls are effective, validated, and audit ready. Step 7. Assess and remediate control gaps. Conduct a risk-based internal assessment prioritizing crown jewel assets where your critical data is stored. Address control gaps based on risk severity and business impact to ensure compliance readiness. Step 8. Security testing and readiness. Plan for Type 1 or execute penetration testing for Type 2 and vulnerability assessments to identify and mitigate risks. Finalize evidence collection with version control documentation to streamline audit review. Step 9. Compliance monitoring and training. Conduct cross-functional readiness sessions with key stakeholders to validate compliance workflows. Review and ensure all scoped controls are green for continuous compliance monitoring with automated evidence collection. Prepare for the audit. Step 10. Prepare for the audit. By following this structured 90-day plan, your organization will be well on its way to SOC 2 compliance, demonstrating your commitment to security, trust, and operational excellence. Final thoughts: SOC 2 compliance is not just about checking a box. It's about building a security-first culture that enhances customer trust and business resilience. Stay committed, stay compliant, and get ready to achieve your SOC 2 certification. Need expert guidance? Contact Trusted CISO to get SOC 2. www.trustedciso.com